Alright, so, here we are. We are out on my side porch, and, there are 130-mile-per-hour gusts coming in. There are leaves hitting torn off trees. That tree got completely stripped. It's just really bad. Like, I don't know what to do. We didn't have any time to board up our windows, and there's a bunch of debris on that house over there. So these houses are getting slammed. Like, our neighborhood's gonna be like freaking Hiroshima after the atomic bombs, probably. This isn't even the worst of the storm, and it's already pretty bad. There's already debris thrown over at, like, a lot of people's houses. There's all this, like, this is just bad. This is just really bad, like, because, like, I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I'm gonna lose my home or what. It's just kind of scary, because I grew up in this home. That single light over there is, taking a lot of wind. That one right in front of me, that gray one, it's getting water sprayed all over it. Chance of, it growing is like 50%, they said. So we are probably gonna get stronger winds. Yeah, those power lines are beginning to shake, so, not sure if you can see them, but they're beginning to shake. So, I'm gonna trust myself. I'm gonna trust my gut and go